Have you ever wondered why your favorite bottle of liquor doesn't freeze in the freezer, no matter how low you set the temperature? Today, we're going to explore the science behind why liquor doesn't freeze in the freezer. First, let's talk about why liquids freeze in the first place. When a liquid gets cold, the molecules slow down and start to stick together, forming a solid. This is what we know as freezing. However, not all liquids freeze at the same temperature. The freezing point of a liquid depends on its composition and properties. Liquor, like other alcoholic beverages, is a mixture of different compounds, including water and ethanol. Ethanol, also known as alcohol, has a lower freezing point than water, which means it will stay liquid at a lower temperature. To understand why this happens, we need to take a closer look at the molecular structure of ethanol. Ethanol molecules have a long carbon chain with an oxygen atom and a hydrogen atom attached to it. This unique molecular structure makes ethanol more flexible and less likely to form the rigid structure that is required for freezing. Unlike water molecules, which are tightly packed and form a crystalline structure when frozen, ethanol molecules are more loosely packed and can move around more freely. This means that it takes a much lower temperature to freeze water than it does to freeze ethanol. So, even if you set your freezer to its lowest temperature, the ethanol in your liquor will still stay liquid. However, it's important to note that this doesn't mean your liquor won't be affected by being stored in the freezer. Storing liquor in the freezer can actually change its properties. For example, the cold temperature can cause the flavors and aromas to become less noticeable. Additionally, some types of liquor, such as cream-based liqueurs, can actually separate or curdle when frozen and thawed repeatedly. So, while liquor won't freeze in the freezer, it's important to consider the potential effects of storing it at such a low temperature. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.